Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Windows System Restore Points from File History, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Windows System Restore Points from File History, begin by ensuring that File History is set up on your system. Open the Control Panel by searching for it in the Start menu. In the Control Panel, locate and select File History. Make sure that File History is turned on. Next, click on System Image Backup located in the bottom left corner of the File History window. A new window will open, presenting options related to system image backups. Select System Repair Disk if you have created one, or choose Create a System Image if you want to create one now. Follow the on-screen prompts to back up your system if necessary. Once you have created the system image, navigate back to the Control Panel. Now, search for System and select System Protection on the left sidebar. In the System Properties window, check for available restore points. Select the restore point you wish to download. Then click on Configure to manage the restore point settings. Make sure the settings allow for restore points to be created regularly. Close the System Properties window and return to the File History section. Next, click on Restore Personal Files located on the left side of the File History window. Browse through the available backups to locate the file or folder you wish to restore. Once located, select the item and click the green Restore button to download your system restore point. The file will now be restored to its original location on your system. You have successfully downloaded a system restore point using File History. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.